It is 6:46 right now, and we are turning our attention to big news coming out of Washington. You saw the breaking news on Friday when it comes to tariffs and the court decision. So what does this mean, and where do we go from here? Our Joe St. George always covering it for us live this morning to make some sense of all of this. Joe?
Well, good morning, Blaine. I think it's natural to have confusion, right, with what happened on Friday and what's happening now. On Friday, it was a landmark decision, right? When it came down, posted on the Supreme Court's website at just after 10 a.m., the Supreme Court invalidating President Trump's tariffs for the most part that he's been collecting over the course of the last year. But this morning, the Trump administration signaling almost a not much has changed attitude, and here's why. The Supreme Court opinion only addressed a law known as the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. I know that's a mouthful at 6:50 or so in the morning, but that's the law that the president was using, again, for the most part, to use his tariffs over the last year. Well, now the president is saying, okay, we'll use a different law. And now he's using a law from 1974 called the U.S. Trade Act. So that's where we stand this morning. The Trump administration over the weekend bumping up tariffs to 15% on pretty much every country around the globe. That's a universal baseline tariff. I would expect more legal challenges on that front as well. The big question, though, is refunds. Remember, Costco, other big box retailers, they've sued the Trump administration prior to the Supreme Court opinion saying, hey, we want our money back if the Supreme Court rules a certain way. But listen to the Treasury Secretary, Scott Bessent, on CNN on Sunday. Listen to his words. It doesn't sound like we're getting refunds anytime soon. Take a listen.
The Supreme Court didn't even address that. The Supreme Court remanded it down to a lower court, and we will follow what they say, but that could be weeks or months when we hear them. So the Supreme Court did not address refunds. We have other tariff authorities which have been functioning, Section 232 tariffs, Section 301 tariffs.
Now, the president could always go to Congress and try and pass a law to implement these tariffs through them, but the votes, by our count, just aren't there. Democrats don't like them. Even a number of Republicans don't like all of these tariffs. We'll see how much of tariffs are a part of the president's State of the Union address tomorrow night. We, of course, will provide live coverage in prime time, guys.
Joe St. George live with us this morning, making sense of everything happening in our nation's capital.